Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for Bombay Cedar, and this is a subscription box that has a lot of lifestyle products in it, which I really like, and this is their special edition box. So let's go ahead and take a look. So right on top we have a card, Relax, Heal, Cleanse Special Edition. Inside the box we get some products, but I'm going to set that aside for right now. Let's take a look at what is in here. Very cool. Pinky Up. This is ceramic teapot and infuser all in one. It's got the little basket. You can just pour it with the basket still in there. I like that. Ceramic with a stainless steel lid. Clean up as a snap. Cool. And here's what that looks like. It's very nice. The basket's in there. I will definitely be using that. And it looks like to go along with that, this is some tea. Yep, this is some Detox Tea. It contains ginger, lemongrass, dandelion, and tulsi. Huh. I really like dandelion, and chamomile is really good too. I'm excited for that. It's in a little resealable pouch. Also have Relief. This is a cooling roll-on oil blend to soothe sore muscles. It contains black seed oil, wintergreen, frankincense, basil, peppermint, essential oils. I'm going to take a whiff of that. Ooh, that smells good. I like that. Very cool. Couple more items left. We also have Prime Time. This is a priming facial polish. Pretty good size of that. It says to use a pea-sized amount in your hand and mix with water to form a milk. Apply it all over your face in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Cool. Next up, we have from LM Organics, we have an oatmeal bath soak with green tea and peppermint. Cool. I like peppermint stuff. I'm betting that smells really good. Oh yeah, that has a nice smell. Very nice. I believe this is the last item in the box. Let me dig around. Yep, I think that is. It says Rain or Shine. It's a notebook. I kind of like how that's held together like that. That's cool. Oh, there's two different ones. All right. So one of them says Rain or Shine. Has the pineapple design. Just a all blank notebook. Could always use those. This one's a really nice black, a little bit of copper running through it, and same, it's blank. Very nice. So we got some notebooks, a bath soak, some facial products, tea, a roll-on, and our cool little teapot. So let's take a look at the card again. So it does give you the values of each product. The roll-on was $19, teapot $26.99. The notebooks range between $6.95 and $9.95. Face polish is $19, tea is $15, and our bath soak is $24. So that is what came inside the special edition box. If you guys would like to sign up for a subscription, I will have all the information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.